as you can see right now, I'm in a Discord server, and here we can see a bot user. So now I want to add this bot to my server without invite. First of all, go to user settings and scroll down here and click on advanced. And now we have to enable developer mode. Once done, cross these settings. Now right click on the bot that you want to add to your server, and here scroll down and you will get the bot user ID. Just click on it to copy the bot ID. Now you have to open this website and scroll down here, client ID. Here you have to paste the bot user ID, and then just click on this link and now click on this add to server drop down and select the server where you want to add the bot and click on authorize, and ensure that you are a human. And here you can see the bot has been added. Now let's go to the server, and as you can see the bot has been successfully added without an invite. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.